Hi, this is Hassan. So in this video, we will see about three basic data types in Python. So before seeing that, we will see the two modes which we use in Python. So the first mode is interactive mode. In interactive mode, the command which we give will be executed on the next line itself. For example, this is the interactive mode. I will give print function. So print hello. Now if I give enter, it will be executed on the next line itself. This is interactive mode. On the script mode, it is used to run a bunch of codes at the same time. So for opening script mode, we can use Ctrl+N, or you can go to file and click new file. So a script mode will be opened. So now I will give two lines of code. Print hello. The next line I will give print number 90. Okay, so before running a code in the script mode, we need to save it. So for saving it, we can click Ctrl S or go to file and click save. Give the file name and you should add extension .py. Then only it will be considered as a Python file. So save, and for running it, you can use F5 or run module. So if I give run, it will be executed on the interactive mode. You see that the two commands which I gave can be executed on the same time itself. So in the interactive mode, the command which we give will be executed on the next line itself. In script mode, a bunch of codes will be executed in the same time. So this is the difference between interactive and script mode. Now we will see the three basic data types in Python. So the first data type is string. So string is a sequence or set of characters like alphabets. So print, I'll give an example, world. So this world is a string. Remember that the string should be always given within a single quotes or double quotes. Then only will be considered as a string. So if I give enter, this world will be print. So to find the data type of this value, there is a command called type. Give type bracket and give the word that you wish. So world. Now if I give enter, it will show the data type of this value. So it is showing str. Str means string. So then remember that the string should be always given within a single quotes or double quotes. So the next we move on to integer. Integer is a collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So example, type -90. So I told you that only string should be given within single quotes or double quotes. If we give this within the single quote or double quote, it will be considered as string. So I will give an example. See, I am giving single quotes, and if I give enter, it will show as string. If I do it without the quotes, type -90. So I am doing it without the quotes. See, it is showing integer. So for integer, there is no need to put single quotes or double quotes. So next one is also an integer, which we give as 56. This is a positive one. So it's also an integer. The next we move on to float. Float is a collection of decimal numbers which can be either negative or positive and scientific notation. So first I will show you the decimal numbers. So type -0.98. So if I give enter, it will be considered as float. Next one, positive decimal. Type 0.87. So if I give enter, it will also be considered as float. So the next one is scientific notations, will be also considered as float, like E. So type 4E7. So if I run this, it will also be considered as float. So float is a collection of negative and positive decimal numbers and also scientific notation. So the video ends here. A small recap what we saw in this video. First we saw interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, the commands which we give will be run on the next line itself. The script mode is used to run a bunch of codes at the same time. So the next one we come to the three basic data types. So the first data type is string. String should be always given within a single quotes or double quotes. a number given within a single quotes or double quotes will also be considered as a string. So the next one is integer. Integer is a collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So then integer should not be given within a single quotes or double quotes. So the next one is float. Float should not be given within a single quotes or double quotes, same like integer. Float consists of decimal numbers which can be either negative or positive and scientific notations. So this video ends here. I will see you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned.